Today, I'm making an easy single-layer fleece vest. I have a tutorial for matching hooded neck warmers on my channel. Fold it like this and turn it into a vest. Use a vest you already have as a size guide. I cut the fabric so it stretches horizontally. Fold the fabric like this. Fold it slightly past the center. Fold the other side so it slightly overlaps the center. Let's cut the fabric as shown in the diagram. I used my boy's vest as a reference when cutting the fabric. Feel free to adjust the size using a vest you already have. FYI, this vest fits a boy who is almost 6 years old and about 120 centimeters tall. Cut the neckline deeper in the front. It's fleece, so it stretches. Cutting it roughly is totally fine. I cut it pretty roughly, but it still turned out great. First, sew the shoulders. Fleece doesn't fray, so you don't need to finish the edges. Now we'll sew the armholes. Fold it out about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. It's easier to sew if you make a small notch under the arm. Sew all the way around. Sew about a little over 5 millimeters from the edge. The underend curve is a bit tricky, just take your time. Next, sew the front opening. Fold it out about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Sew about a little over 5 millimeters from the edge. Sewing straight is much easier than sewing curves, right? Next, we'll sew the neckline. Fold it out about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Sew about a little over 5 millimeters from the edge. fleece doesn't need a lining, so it's super easy to make. The matching neck warmers were so easy to make, so I think I can use the idea for next year's Halloween costumes too. Lastly, sew the bottom. Fold it out about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Sew about a little over 5 millimeters from the edge. The boys wear it over their pajamas before bed and after they wake up. Even in Southern California, it gets chilly in the mornings and evenings. Add buttons if you like. I added 2 plastic snap buttons that you can attach without any special tools. You can snap them on by hand, super easy. Fleece is light and not too warm since it's just a single layer. It'd be fun to make matching ones for the whole family at Christmas.